This week, we're trading the serenity of Valley of Fire for something a bit livelier. After spending 2 weeks boondocking outside Valley of Fire State Park, we're stepping into the ultimate RV gathering, Friendsgiving. From unforgettable costumes and quirky tournaments to stunning desert hikes and sweet holiday traditions, it's a whirlwind of fun and connection you don't want to miss. First one of the group heading out, and then we're off. We are just leaving Valley of Fire dispersed camping, and we are heading to 29 Palms to hang out with a bunch of RV friends for Friendsgiving. We did do this last year, and we're doing it again. So let's head out. All right, we just had a quick night stopover at Whiskey Pete's. Whiskey Pete's in Primm, Nevada, which is on the Nevada-California state line. And now we are continuing on to 29 Palms, which is where our Friendsgiving celebration is going to be. So that's where we're headed. We'll be checking in a couple hours. Should be a really easy travel day. Hopefully the roads are good and we don't have any puking cats. So yeah, let the festivities begin. We are really close. We are a mile away. We're almost there. Chase looks really excited because it means it's time to socialize and crack open a beer and have some fun. Woo! He needs his mustache on, guys. You like my tail? Yeah. Oh, I think so. Oh, this is great.
Oh, it sticks.
Pot belly, baby. Hello, hi. Yeah, you guys like Bowser? You like Bowser? Yeah. It's a video.
You're with the Peps, right?
Yes.
Nice.
Good to see you again.
Yes.
Oh. That's really funny. Hey! Yay!
There you go.
Even or
3, 4, 5. I got food. Let's do food.
grab a shell and I'll drop
Okay.
a meatball in it if that's alright.
Yes.
Alrighty.
Thank
Come
you.
back for more.
Okay. Wario taking a break.
After all the excitement of the first day of Friendsgiving, we made sure to take some time to soak in the beauty of Joshua Tree National Park. There are a ton of stunning hikes within the park, and we were able to enjoy a couple during our stay in the area. The first we did with a small group of fellow RVers, and the second we enjoyed as just the two of us.
We are heading out on a hike. 29 Palms, something like? I forget. I'm gonna have to look. But hopefully it's an easy one, 3.5 miles. Just going the two of us today, so let's get started.
After a beautiful break enjoying nature, we decided that what better way is there to end a hike and get back into the swing of Friendsgiving than with a margarita.
Okay, we just need to show you the difference between Jason and I. Guys, that is Jason way over there walking the cats. Do you see him?
Oh my gosh! I'm like, I see where they're headed. Look at you guys! We had such a blast at Friendsgiving this year, and once again we walked away with more than just memories. We left with friendships that will carry us through this incredible RV journey.
Anthony, did you pull out?
I got out.
You got out, okay.
There's something so special about being surrounded by a community that truly understands what it means to live this life. The challenges, the adventures, and the freedom. These connections remind us why we chose this path and why it's worth every mile. Until next time, we'll keep chasing the road ahead and treasuring moments like these. We'll see you all next week. Cheers.